Okay, I'm back in the library again, and I've just been like itching to try this, so I'm gonna try scraping off this popcorn ceiling crap. Actually, it's not really popcorn ceiling. It's kind of like a weird plaster texture. Anyways, yeah. So I'm gonna try and scrape this shit off. Let's go. I just made a solution of warm water and vinegar, and that's what I sprayed on the ceiling, and then I let it sit. The next weekend and time to get back to it. But first I think I'm gonna try and like tidy up to keep the mess contained. It's not too bad though, which is nice. Let's do another close-up because this is fun and so satisfying. Ah! So this is the only thing. You let it soak too long, you can rip the paper off the drywall. But then if you don't soak enough, it leaves some of the stuff up there. So nice though. See how it's leaving some? And then when you scrape, it makes a lot of powder because it's dry. Which that we don't want. We want to keep it wet. Okay, too hard to hold you. I am in the home stretch. This is the last part. I'm tired. Alright, so I am going to go back over to that corner, or that side, and finish the stuff going into the shelving. But other than that, this is pretty much done. I mean, that's pretty sweet. Kind of wild. So I guess a few things I've learned from doing this. One, do smaller sections because it kind of dries real fast, well, because it's like drywall compound or whatever. The other thing, obviously, it's a lot easier to keep the mess down while stuff's wet. So I am going to finish that. Here, let's go look. I'm gonna finish this little area around the whole thing again. I'm just gonna finish it because it'll drive me a little bit crazy if I don't. Then I know it's done. There's some areas where like you want to keep it wet, but you don't want to get too wet because then you can scrape down to the drywall paper. Whew. But yeah, it actually has worked pretty good. Like I know it's messy, but like this is easy to clean up. So dragging this blanket around, it's just an old blanket that like the dog ripped, has been super helpful to contain the mess. And I'm gonna do that corner and then I'm gonna fold this all up and throw it straight in the garbage bag. And then we'll get the dehumidifier in here. And tomorrow is when I'll come in and I'll vacuum up all this crap. I'm gonna vacuum the whole ceiling. That's gonna suck. And I think at the same time, I've got 2 new lights that I want to put in. I think I might just install them now. Yeah, probably, because lights are easy. I can just drop them down just like this again before we do like a primer on the ceiling. Okay, done. I just finished this last part. Much better. So that'll all go in behind the crown molding, and then we'll be good. Moving along, it feels so good being back in the library and working on this. It has actually been 4 years, which is wild. I haven't been idle the 4 years. The problem is I got a job, and when you have a full-time job, it's kind of hard to do this. I actually started it, I think when COVID started pretty much, and then right after COVID, I got laid off my job. So, you know, doing things that bring you joy really is like a hobby for the rich, people who don't have to work and have money. And the whole 4 years, I've been to Europe twice, getting tons of inspiration. I've got so many ideas from going there and seeing all these old chateaus and castles and all these historic buildings. So we're gonna keep chugging along on this. At some point one day, we'll have like an awesome kind of Baroque library, I guess. We'll see. Anyways, bye.